Wait, before I explain anything, just watch this. Basically, stop scrolling for a moment because what you're about to see can completely change the way you create videos. Right now, you're watching a fully animated scene, a girl walking through a colorful market, talking naturally, reacting to her surroundings with perfectly synced background music and cinematic sound effects. I mean, everything feels real, polished, and professionally made. You would have probably assumed this took hours of shooting, editing, voice recording, and sound design. But the twist is, I made this entire video in less than 5 minutes. Now, here's something you have probably already noticed. Videos like this are all trending over the internet. Literally, every second you scroll, you take on Instagram or YouTube, you will come across some form of AI-generated video. Animated characters, cinematic storytelling, highly engaging visuals. And the reason they are everywhere is pretty simple. They grab attention instantly and keep people hooked. Now think about it. No voiceover recording, no separate background music selection, no manual sound effects, and no expensive editing software. Basically, everything you see and hear has been generated using AI in a single streamlined process. And this is not just a one-time trick, this is actually a completely new way of content creation that creators are using to grow faster than ever before. So what's really happening here? The shift is simple. Creators are no longer relying only on traditional skills like editing or filming. Instead, they are using powerful AI tools and structured workflow to turn simple ideas into complete video within minutes. Meaning what used to take hours can now be done faster, better, and with far less efforts. And not just that, the real advantage here is consistency and scalability. You can repeat this process again and again without losing quality. Now, moving ahead in this video, I'm going to break down the entire process for you. Not just how to create short clips, but how to actually build long-form AI videos that look professional, feel engaging, and are optimized to hold attention till the end. And the best part is you don't need prior experience, you don't need any technical expertise, and you don't need a team. Basically, all you need is a right approach and a clear system to follow. So if you're serious about creating high quality content using AI and you want to stay ahead in this rapidly changing space, this video is going to give you everything you need to get started. So let us begin. So the first step in our actual workflow is generating a strong storyline using ChatGPT, where we simply describe the kind of video we want and it gives us a complete narrative with a clear beginning, middle, and the end. Now, once the storyline is ready, we don't jump directly into video creation. Instead, we break down the story into multiple scenes to make the process more structured. And for each of these scenes, we generate detailed image prompt that describe the environment, character, lighting, mood, and camera angle. These prompts are then used in tools like Whisk AI or Nano Banana to create consistent visuals for every scene. This step is extremely important because the quality of our final video will depend heavily on how well these scenes-wise prompts are written. So in simple terms, we move from storytelling to scene breakdown and then to highly descriptive image prompt, which sets a solid foundation before we finally convert everything into video using Google Flow. Enough of the talk. Now let us move to a demonstration part where we create the fully AI videos. So I have this prompt which I have generated from ChatGPT only. So this is a create a 1-minute engaging story between two schoolboys. So you can create any type of stories which you feel like it can be a conversation between two girls or a fight between a cat and a dog or something like that, any story of your will. So I have generated this prompt and I'll be directly pasting this prompt to ChatGPT. So you can see here it is creating a 1 minute of fully video friendly story scene wise. Scene 1, then you can see scene 2, then scene 3, then scene 4. And now I want the image prompt for each scene. So I'll just write generate image prompt for each scene. And then secondly, I want Google Flow JSON. The prompt which we will the prompt which we will be pasting in the Google Flow will be in the format of JSON. So basically scene by scene, it will create an ID and we'll be pasting in our Google Flow and it will create the video. I'm putting this. So you can see it is giving me the image prompt also. Scene 1, then there is the scene 2, then scene 3, and then scene 4 and etc. if you want more than 4 scenes. Now coming back to here, I have already created these image prompts. Now I'll just move to Whisk AI. See, I've already created some of the images by giving these prompts. So for you, again, I'll go and paste one prompt. Fine. I'll copy. I'll just paste the prompt here. 2 Indian schoolboys. Okay. And I'll say, don't change the faces. Use the ones we have been previously using. Okay. Now just wait for a while. We'll create. Okay. So it has created using this previous ones only. So it has started from here. I have pasted prompt 1, which is scene 1, then prompt 2, scene 2, then scene 3, and finally we have scene 4. Now here, if I go and add one more plus here, then you can see here I have got one more box. So whichever image I like, say for example, I like this image, I'll just drag and drop over here and it will analyze the image and just wait for a while. And from here, you'll get a download option. I'll just simply download it. See, I've already copied some of the scenes. So it is scene 5, and I'm saving it. Now we are done with multiple images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see. Now let us go to Google Flow. So this is Google Flow. Just wait for a while. Fine. So you can see I have already given some of the images and some of the prompts here. But for you, I'll go again. I'll go to this flow. I'll put it over here and I'll just enter on create with flow. Fine. I just hit here on new project. Okay. So see here it is start to end. I'll upload the start image. The scene 1 will be the start image. I'll open it. I'll upload scene 2 also. So basically I'm setting that from scene 1 to scene 2, I want these things. So scene 2 I have opened. I want video in, say for example, horizontal. So I'll just do this one. And just what do you want to create? I'll go back to my document. Okay. I'll go to this JSON and I'll just paste this scene wise. See, you can see your scene ID, scene title, then what should be the duration. I have ideally set it at 8 seconds, then visual prompts, and then dialogue, what the dialogue that person should be speaking. So I'll just be copying it. I'll go again here and I'll be just pasting the prompt. So I have pasted scene 1, ID also, and scene 2, and I'll just press this enter and you can see that the videos, they are already under the process. Meanwhile, what I've created, I'll just show you that. So I've created this thing. This is scene wise, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and whatever is happening will get merged. So I'll just firstly listen to it.
Today's result day, Ram. I'm sure I'll top this time.
Yeah, let's see.
I got 92%.
I did it.
That's great. I got 68. Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
So these are the collection of 3 videos, and let me go here again and let us see whether it has started. Let me go here and see it has started. Okay, fine, it has started. I'll just play it for you.
I got 92%. I did it.
That's great.
Fine. Now, if you want to merge the video, you just have to go in your document wherever you have collected your JSON format. You just have to copy paste the scenes. Just copy. Just paste it over here, and if you want to insert, you can insert your things also, like images if you want, or if you want to extend it, the video, you can go and extend also. Fine. So you can see that video creation is so much easier using Google Flow. Now, so scene by scene, you can go and upload the image. It's very easy. Now, if I go back here, so you people just saw how easy it is to create the videos scene by scene. Now, if I want to do it full screen, I can do it from here, and if I want to download, just I'll hit the download button and it will start downloading. So guys, it's all about how well you are prompting your AI to generate the kind of story which you'll be needing. So this was all. Repeat. So I'll just put done here and it will be done. And if you want again some scene to start, you can just press here again on start. This is scene 1, then end on 2. Here is the upload image option. So this was all for this video. I hope you guys have liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button for our Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.